There are multiple job postings in job portals like Naukri, Indeed, and many other job portals, as well as in LinkedIn. However, when you apply for those jobs, you do not get a reward. And these are called ghost jobs. Hi, my name is Tapash and my channel name is EduQuester. Today we are going to talk about ghost jobs. So if you go to Naukri, if you go to Indeed, if you go to LinkedIn, you may see thousands and thousands of jobs posted in LinkedIn and other job portal. And also you would also get a call from placement agencies talking about, hey, there is job opportunities, we are pushing your application, let's see what happens. However, if at all there are 1,000 jobs listed, out of those 1,000 jobs, maybe 100 or maybe 200 are genuine, rest 80% are ghost jobs, means these jobs does not exist at all. Also, you may have seen newspaper ad as well as the ad in the digital media that this company is recruiting 10,000 freshers in this fiscal year. That company is recruiting 30,000 freshers in this fiscal year. But we do not know what's the reality, what's the net take. I have seen that, company calls for walk-in drive for freshers. Freshers go there, they just take the resume and tell them, okay, we will give you a call later. These kind of things are also happening. So anyone who has gone through this kind of situation, I think would be able to relate to my video, as well as anyone who is in a good designation in a multinational company or even in a good, a small size company, you would be able to relate to what I'm saying. Now, why do organizations do that? So if it is a public limited company, they want their stock price to go up always. So they have to have some kind of positive news always going in the organization and always going in the market. So what's the best way of spreading the positive news? If you tell them that your organization is recruiting maybe 10,000 freshers, 20,000 freshers, or there are so many job openings in your organizations, right? People can find out from other job portals and LinkedIn's. So what will happen? This is a positive news and this will influence the stock price and the stock price will go up. At the same time, they have to give also positive news to the shareholders, because the shareholders do not have complete access of everything. They depend on the news which the organization is giving. So these organizations always wants to keep their shareholders happy so that they don't pull out the money from their stocks. Also, this is also positive news for people, those who are working in that organization. I mean to say the employees. Employees are also happy, okay, my organization is recruiting so many people. But it is also a reality that we do not know what's the net attrition and the net addition. I have seen many times organizations say that, okay, we have taken 30,000 freshers, but then because of attrition, our net intake is only 5,000. Okay, so we do not know whether they have actually recruited 30,000 freshers. No one has the data. There is one more side to it. Government have given targets to these multinational companies because they have given them a lot of benefits, right? If at all you open your office and sees at times you can open your office just by leasing the land for 1 rupee. So similarly like that, I am not quite familiar with all the terms and conditions because I have not done that research, but then, it's a very nominal price what you pay to the government, and government gives a lot of freebies to these multinational companies. In return, they will have to recruit people. So they also have a target towards the government. So what the government does, government has an expectation, let's say TCS or let's say Wipro. That's when, you would see that TCS is taking 30,000 freshers or Wipro is taking 20,000 freshers. At the same time, what the government does, let's say there are 1 lakh provident fund account. Okay, so let's say out of this 30,000, 20,000 joins, so 1 lakh becomes 1,20,000. But from this existing 1 lakh employee, also many would have lost their jobs or may not be working, but the PF account was not deactivated. So as long as it is active, government will keep counting them. Hey, so look at this one, our PF account grew, but then how many are in operational? We do not know. We do not have the transparency. So these are some of the things which goes on or are going in the job market. Do not believe in every ad or every job posting what you see in Naukri, LinkedIn, as well as in Indeed. The best way of getting a job, especially if you are in a middle level designation or even a middle level position, if you have a referral or you get a referral from someone and apply through them, that's the best chance of getting a job or getting an offer letter from that company. Otherwise, it is impossible. Recently, I had been through one interview and a good organization. The interview was conducted, the country head took the interview and said that, you know what, the way you spoke, I like it. You are very thorough. You have articulated everything very clearly. So we will have a next round of interview. After like 4 days or 5 days, I receive a call from the placement agency. Hey, they have recruited someone who came through referral. So referral is always the best chance of getting recruited, because someone knows that person, so they have that faith on that person. So that's the reason. So yes, this is what I wanted to talk about. Not every jobs in LinkedIn, Indeed, or Naukri or other job portals are true, right? Those are ghost jobs. I would say almost 70% of them are ghost jobs. Jobs does not exist. So, and if you want to actually hop or change your job, then I would try to say that I would say that you go through referral. That's when you would have a best chance of getting recruited. All right. Thanks everyone. This is what I wanted to cover in this video or in this episode. If you like my content, please subscribe. Your subscription will motivate me to continue with the good work. I work in one of the multinational company as a GM. I can share my wisdom definitely, and I can also guide if at all anyone need any sort of guidance, and it's absolutely free. There is no cost about it. If you want to contact me, I have my contact number in my page. You can, or in my comment section also, I can leave it. You can always send me a WhatsApp, and we can get on a one-on-one call and understand how I can be helpful to you. All right. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.